I'm going to conduct 2 live critiques per day, every day for 7 days. So that means it's going to be a total of 14 critiques. And that also means that 14 lucky artists will have an opportunity to have their work critiqued by me. And during those critiques, I will be providing insights and laser-focused guidance to help artists better their artwork. It's going to be an educational experience for everyone, both the artists who are having their work critiqued and for artists who are not having their work critiqued. I think what can happen sometimes is when an artist is getting their work critiqued, their work is on the hot seat, they're on the hot seat, and they can be a little bit nervous and maybe miss some of the valuable nuggets that come out of the critique. So I'd like to encourage even those artists who may not be selected to have their work critiqued to attend as well, because I think there's always something to be learned and something that you can maybe apply to your current work. So to be part of these instructional valuable critiques, click the button below for more information and for the submission guidelines, and to receive the insights and the laser-focused guidance that I will be providing at the critiques.